guys, it's your girl Naturally Jazz, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new here. If you are new and you have not subscribed, I would love to have you join the channel. If you are returning, thank you guys so much for tuning back in. I always enjoy making these videos for you guys. So as you read by the title, today we are going to be finishing up Christmas decorating. I am currently in my room right now though, because guys, it is Thanksgiving and I was all cozied up in my shirt here, but since I'm about to be decorating, I want to feel a little bit more comfortable. I guess I am very comfortable. My outfit is very cute. I just have on this burgundy sweater here with some burgundy leggings, but I kind of want to change the underpiece to something that I can, like, I guess, move around a little bit more in. So what I'm gonna do, I'm not gonna like completely change my outfit. I start to fully decorate. I'm just gonna go in with my MagicBra, which is basically a bra that's kind of fits more like a shirt or a tank, and it's gonna look perfect under here. It's gonna give me a lot of breathing room, and I'm not gonna get too hot, and I'm gonna be more comfortable. So if I do get a little bit hot, because I do plan on keeping on my cardigan here, because you know we are dressed for the weather. We can't be getting sick because I am kind of getting over a cold. So I'm gonna just transition this out and then we'll get right into Christmas decorating. So this is what I have on now. So I'm gonna just change out of this really quick. All right guys, and just like that, I have a lot more room to move around. I have on my MagicBra under here. It is so freaking comfortable. I already feel a little bit more lighter. I know I'm not gonna be as like warm, and so this is what it looks like. It's really sleek, really cute. I love the color of it. I love black because you guys know black goes with anything, and then the straps are very breathable. So I really do love this, and I'm just gonna wear it under here. They are running a Black Friday sale, so if you guys want to copy one and have one just to like wear for comfort, or just to wear around the house for comfort, or anything that makes you feel good and comfortable and hold your girls up while you're getting active or doing whatever, definitely check it out. I already feel a lot more comfortable because I'm about to be doing Christmas decorating, so I'm not gonna get hot with like that other shirt all the way up to my neck, and it didn't change the outfit at all. It's really cute. So definitely check out MagicBra if you guys are interested in getting you guys one. Alrighty guys, so here is our tree. We've got it out. I've had this tree for about 3 years now, and I just cannot get over it. I love it so much. It is 7.5 foot, and it has like 2 different textures on it. It has like a pine tree texture, and then just also a regular Christmas tree texture. So I love it. And here are all of my decorations. I have them in this bin here. Here are some of the things I'm going to use this year: my angel, my brown ornaments, my beautiful brown ribbons that I got. These bows, they're so cute. And I am just gonna go through all of my Christmas decor here and just pick out what I want to use. I have this tree here that I'm gonna place on my countertop, and then some more things in here like lights and things like that that I'm going to be putting out as well. And then, as you guys know, I decorated this in my last video. If you haven't seen it, check it out. But I'm loving this space on my console table as well. And then I also got a couple more things that I'm planning on using. We'll see. These bulbs kind of seem too bright. I think I grabbed the wrong color, but we'll see. But let's get right into decorating. Alrighty guys, so we've got our beautiful tree up, and this is what it looks like up closely. As I told you guys, the texture of it is like a pine leaf and then a regular Christmas tree, and I freaking love it. It is so tall, guys. So I'm definitely gonna reach up high, but we're gonna go ahead and get into decorating.
Merry Christmas, baby.
Hey guys, so it is a little bit later. Since I'm done decorating, I did want to go ahead and show you guys my tree. This year I've been just kind of doing my Christmas decor a little bit at a time, taking it really easy, not trying to put everything up at all once. So what was on my agenda today was to put up my tree, and I added a little bit more decor to my kitchen area and also my living room area. So I just want to show you guys everything. Alrighty guys, so here is the tree. I did not do that much ornament shopping this year. I said that I was going to mainly use all of the ornaments that I had. The main thing is that I did buy is these little brown bows, which I wish I would have gotten more of. The theme was chocolate brown, burgundy, gold, black. So this is what I went with on my tree this year. I think it looks really pretty. I think I am probably gonna go out and maybe get some white doves to add to the tree, as well as a bigger tree topper, because I did get this angel. She's cute, but I just think since my tree is pretty big, I need something a little bit more big to go at the top. But I think for the most part, the tree turned out so beautiful. But what we're gonna go out and grab is stockings to go over the fireplace, and I need 2 candles for my candle holder. And also guys, I ended up adding some decor to my living room area as well. So I got this table runner here, which is just some black and white Christmas trees. I ended up getting the pillow covers to match to go over my pillows. And then I just have my little arrangement with the pine cones and these really pretty frosted tree stems, which also has like pine cone on them. I just love pine cones for Christmas time because it's of course over here, guys. And then guys, I just added slight more decor to my countertop. I added in these trees here, and then my tree there as for now. So I really am loving the way this is coming out as well. Hey guys, for this portion of the video, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for the rest of my holiday decorating and all the things I'm doing around my home and more. I thank you again so much for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in my